Are you worried about how many millions you need to retire? Stop right now. It is not just about big numbers. The secret is in your shopping cart. These cheap items can change your retirement destiny and help you live like a millionaire.
Retirement is about thousands of small, smart decisions. Let us look at 6 categories that will save your health and money.
Category 1. Money-saving basics. These small tools slash your monthly bills without you even noticing the effort involved.
A simple rain barrel or solar lights cost very little, but they stop your wealth from leaking away every month.
Replacing every old bulb with LED units is a tiny investment with a massive return. It is pure financial logic for seniors. Solar path lights provide safety and free illumination. No wiring, no bills, just smart energy use for your outdoor spaces. Think of every saved dollar as a brick in your fortress. These basics are the foundation of a stress-free life. Now, let us move to category 2, food production. This is about turning your backyard into a personal grocery store.
A mini vegetable garden saves you hundreds at the market. Plus, the food is fresher and healthier than anything store-bought.
Planting a fruit tree is like planting a dividend-paying stock. It grows in value and feeds you for many years to come.
Use a compost bin to turn waste into black gold. It is free fertilizer that keeps your garden thriving for zero cost.
This isn't just about money. It is about self-sufficiency. When you grow your own food, you control your nutrition completely.
Imagine the peace of mind knowing your pantry is always partially stocked by your own hard work and nature's help. Category 3 focuses on comfort upgrades. Cheap tools that prevent expensive medical bills and protect your aging joints. An ergonomic chair or a simple footrest can save your spine. Comfort today means much less pain in your future. Electric blankets keep you warm for pennies. Why heat the whole house when you can just heat your personal space?
A quality pillow is a medical investment. Good sleep is the most effective medicine, and it starts with proper alignment. When your body feels good, you are more active. Activity leads to better health, which means fewer visits to the doctor.
Small upgrades create a sanctuary. Your home should be a place where your body can recover and stay strong daily.
Category 4 is cheap hobbies. Staying sharp doesn't require a yacht. It just needs a bit of curiosity and rhythm.
An e-reader gives you access to a world of knowledge. Most library books are free, keeping your mind eternally active.
A harmonica or a set of paints. These tools provide endless joy and keep your fine motor skills very sharp.
Creativity is a shield against boredom. Retirement is the perfect time to discover the artist that has been hiding inside.
These hobbies are low cost but provide a high sense of achievement. They make every day feel productive and meaningful. Category 5, brain and social life. Isolation is the enemy of aging. We must stay connected and mentally fast.
Learn a new language using free apps. It builds new neural pathways and keeps your brain young and very resilient.
Join a local club or a chess group. Socializing is a natural cognitive booster that costs almost nothing at all.
Laughter and competition keep the spirit alive. A deck of cards can provide years of social interaction and fun.
Preventing cognitive decline is cheaper than treating it. Keep your mind busy and your social calendar active and full. Finally, Category 6, life hack gadgets. These are tiny tools that make independent living much easier and safer. A long shoehorn prevents back strain. Avoiding one bad fall or a pulled muscle saves you thousands in therapy.
A kitchen scale helps with portion control and healthy eating. It is a small tool for a very big health impact. A handheld blender makes healthy cooking fast. Convenience is the key to maintaining a good diet when you are alone. Jar openers and grip tools protect your hands. Independence is about having the right tool for every small daily task.
See? None of these items cost a fortune, but together, they create a retirement that is rich and very sustainable. When you stop worrying about millions, you start living in the moment. These small changes build a very big life. Your retirement is a journey of 1,000 small steps. Start with one item today and watch your future change.
Make your own list. What small tool can improve your life right now? The power is in your hands today.
Don't let the big numbers scare you. Smart living is the ultimate wealth. Good luck on your beautiful retirement journey.
바인생 균 해석해보면
Success in retirement is about mindset. Small gains lead to a much larger sense of security and peace.
Every dollar not spent on a bill is a dollar that can be used for your passions and dreams.
Growth happens slowly but surely. Your garden and your savings both follow this very same natural law of life.
Balance physical ease with mental challenge. This is the secret formula for a long and very happy retirement.
Consistency is your best friend. Small habits, supported by small tools, create a life of great dignity and comfort. True wealth is the ability to live life on your own terms, surrounded by the things that truly matter. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start your smart retirement today. It is easier than you think. An organized life is a stress-free life. Keep your tools ready and your mind focused on the small wins. The best years of your life are not behind you. They are happening right now in every smart choice.
You've got this. Retirement is not an end, but a beautiful, smart, new beginning for you.
Precision in the small things leads to excellence in the big things. Even your morning coffee is a ritual.
Healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. With the right tools, it becomes a simple, daily joy.
Knowledge is power. This small meter tells me exactly what my plants need to thrive and grow strong.
Good shoes are the best transport. They take you to health, community, and peace for a very small price.
Protect your eyes. Good lighting is an investment in your ability to keep learning and growing every single day.
Hydration and health. It is the simplest life hack. Use a reusable bottle to save money and the environment. Adjustable light on your e-reader means you can read anywhere, anytime, without any strain on your eyes at all.
A cheap yoga mat is your home gym. 5 minutes of stretching can prevent hours of future physical pain.
Structure your time. Even a simple calendar helps you stay active and look forward to every new day.
Never miss the details. A magnifying glass is a simple tool that keeps you informed and very independent. Small comforts matter. A personal fan saves you from turning on the air conditioning for the whole house.
Weeding is like managing your finances. Remove the waste so the good things have plenty of room to grow.
Protect your skin. A good pair of gloves is a simple way to stay safe while staying very active.
Taste the rewards of your smart choices. Life is sweet when you know you are living wisely and well.
You are part of a community. Your smart retirement gives you the freedom to give back to others. 6 categories. 1 goal. A retirement that is healthy, wealthy, and full of purpose and great joy. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself and your daily habits. Start small, finish big. The future belongs to the prepared. Your smart retirement starts with the very next item you choose to buy.